Hi, I'm Brielle Benyon for Heal Magazine, your guide to living well after cancer. Here's a sneak peek at what's inside our spring 2019 issue. Cancer has a way of robbing people of their health and identity, leaving behind lasting physical and emotional effects. But some survivors have found that small changes to their food choices and exercise routine have helped them take back control. In this issue's cover story, read how 3 survivors changed their relationships to boost their well-being. Next, an 8-year metastatic breast cancer thriver says to trust your gut. Stephanie Seban shares her misdiagnosis that led to nearly 5 years of wrong treatment. Instead of getting angry, she fired her doctor and became her own best advocate. And 7-time Olympic medalist Shannon Miller talks life after ovarian cancer, how she found strength and why she's taking time to stop and smell the roses. To read these stories and more, visit curetoday.com/publications and click on the latest Heal cover. And as always, thanks for reading.